In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your blower motor on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located underneath the glove box. Using a T20, we're going to remove the 3 bolts in the front here. There's one over to the right. And there's one all the way over to the left. Now we're going to pull this down. Now we're going to remove this bulb and also that over there. So let's twist this towards us and then pull it out. And just set it aside. And now we're going to spin this way and pull it out. I'm just going to tuck it in over here. Let's put it aside. And now we're going to take the whole cover forward and out. So unhook it from the carpet and just pull it out. We're going to remove this connector. Pinch and pull like so. Now that we've disconnected this, we're going to disconnect this one as well. There's a tab you're going to push in and pull out. We're going to slide this harness off of the blower motor. To do that, the little tab right here, and you're going to use a screwdriver and push that, and then push this harness up like that. You can take that right out of there and do the same for this one. Ours looks like it's missing the tab, so we're just going to push ours up and move it out of the way. Now we're going to unscrew the blower motor out of the housing. To do that, you're going to find this tab over here. You're going to pick up on it a little bit. There's an arrow on the housing that's pointing in this direction. You're not going to be turning it in that direction. That's the direction you're going to turn it when you're installing. To de-install, you're going to turn it in the opposite direction. But you're going to pick up on that, where that yellow mark is, you're going to pick up on that little lip, and then you're going to turn it in the opposite direction of that arrow. It's not easy to get to. You're going to pick up on that tab, and you're going to grab the motor and turn it. And it's going to unlock it off that little area over there. And you're going to spin it the rest of the way. And then you're going to remove it. Okay, and now you're just going to guide it out and remove it. We're going to install our blower motor. Guide it in, same way you took it out. Make sure all the wires are out of the way. Another tech tip is if you have a small mirror on the floor of the car, it makes things a lot easier to see what's going on, so you're not hurting yourself trying to install a blower motor. Okay, so you're going to line it up. Once you feel like it's flush, like this, and you're going to turn it. Pick up on that tab again. You're going to turn it until it locks in place. Now we're going to reinstall our connectors into the clips. I'm going to do this broken one first. Now I'm going to go over to this one. Make sure you go above that little clip thing and pull it down. There we go. Now we're going to reconnect our connectors. I'm going to start with this purple one because I'm already here. And now the black one. Let's put this back now. To start, we're going to put it underneath the capot in the back, and then we're going to put our bulbs back where they were. So there's a little flap in the back that it has to go under. Just pull your capot forward and get it on the other side of it. There's a clip on the side here that you're going to clip into this piece of plastic here. Once you're clipped in over there, you're going to pull this forward a little bit. Now we're going to put our bulbs back where they go. You have a big piece here and a smaller one here. You're going to make sure the smaller piece is towards the firewall. You're going to slide it in and twist. Let's put this other one in over here. Line it up, twist it, and now we're going to push this up. Make sure your wires are not being pinched anywhere. Slide it into place. Now we're going to put our bolts in. I'm going to put them in by hand to make sure there's something there to screw into. Make sure it's lined up properly. Once you got all three going, we're going to snug them up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.